In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create God rays, which are light beams that appear to shine through a window or bright light source. This effect is often used in cinematic scenes, dramatic storytelling shots, and atmospheric visuals. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now, go to the Effects panel and search for Volumetric Rays. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Next, open the Effect Controls panel. So here you'll see several settings that control the light rays. Start with the position option. Move the position point to where the light source is located. For example, near a window or bright light area. This tells Premiere where the rays should originate from. Next, adjust the ray length. Increasing this value makes the light beams stretch further across the frame. Now increase the intensity. This controls how bright and visible the rays appear. Next, adjust the color option. Now you can choose a soft yellow or warm white color to simulate natural sunlight. Then adjust the softness or feather settings. These controls help make the rays blend naturally with the scene. Finally, adjust the blend mode if needed, so the light rays integrate nicely with the footage. Play the clip and fine-tune the settings until the rays look like natural sunlight entering the scene. And that's it. You've successfully created cinematic God rays using the Volumetric Rays effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.